Session or a breaking workout, you could call it now. The reason I call it both is because this is good to drill in your breakdance basics, but it's a workout, trust me. We'll only be doing, say, 4 or 5 minutes of actual uprocking. It's all standing up today, but this is a good workout. And it's one of them that you can do over and over. So if you feel like you want to go a little more, you can do more of each move, you can do it a couple of times over. So yeah, this is a real good one. But any move that you struggle with in these breaking drills, I do have other videos, tutorials teaching you all the different moves. So if you're really struggling with any moves in this one, links in the description to all the other breaking tutorials I've got, so you can jump on them. Apart from that, let's get straight into the drills. Okay, just follow what I do. It's all nice and light. Top rocks, back rocks, side rocks, hustle steps, all of that business. I'll count us in. Start with the top rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're smashing them out as if you're battling, a lot harder of a workout, yeah? And you can even go through that 2 or 3 times if you've got the stamina. I know I can hit it 2 or 3. I was blown from that one. That was a good workout. Now, as I said, if you're struggling with any of them moves, I've got tutorials on all kinds of different breaking moves, uprocking, floor work. I will be posting a floor work drills workout soon. way more intense, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. Apart from that, well done for smashing that workout, them drills out. If you did like this one, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. If there's anything else you guys want to see, leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely get to it. Apart from that, well done, see you in the next one.